Hey, welcome to another video on Garvit's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to cook rice using a rice cooker. So inside the rice cooker, I'm currently using 2 cups of rice, meaning my water level should be around 3. If you're using 1 cup of rice, it should be around 2. If you're using 3 cups of rice, it should be around 4. Now, let's first rinse the rice and then put it in the rice cooker. Now our rice is rinsed, let's pour it in the rice cooker. Oh, I forgot to mention that I'm using Basmati rice. That's important because other types of rice require different water levels. But as shown here, I used 2 cups of rice. The water level is exactly at 3. Now let's turn on the rice. Plug it in and then push it down. That's it. Currently it's cooking, but once it's done, this button will pop up and the warm light will be lit up. It appears that rice is ready. Look at that. It even smells good. There you go.